Hey there, friends on YouTube. My name is Roger with Electronics and Gadgets. If this is your first time here, thanks for stopping by. Hit the like and subscribe, please. If you've been here before, thank you. For my next video, I'd like to do one on OUTON's, O-U-T-O-N, and their double-sided lighting LED floor lamp. So let's go ahead and do the unboxing first. Okay, let's get this out. This is a really nice floor lamp. It's got a lot of neat functions to it. Remote control. We have our box out of the way. Let's see here. See if I can be smarter than the box and how to open this here without cutting it. Yeah, that was easy. Okay. So here we have the instructions, pretty simple. Remote control. We'll go over all the tech specs about this here shortly. This is just an unboxing for now. So here's our poles, cord, and power cord. Alright. Remote control, which they had no batteries, I might add, but that's okay. It's still pretty cool. Usually things come with batteries, but okay, so those are all our poles. And we have the actual base. Oh, this is the light. And as you can see, it's double-sided. So, which is pretty neat. We'll get into that shortly. And it's all on LED. And turns, rotates. And that's pretty much the unboxing. So next, let's go ahead and get into how it works. So here I have the light all assembled and the remote control. So the remote control, basically, it's magnetic, which is cool. You can put it on any place on the lamp pole. Or you also have the controls on the actual pole itself, the light pole. So it works in columns, the way it works. So you have one column controls the top light, one column controls the bottom light. The other button is for warmth or coolness, or warmth and temperature colors. So it has 4 different temperature controls for warmth or cool, and then likewise you have brightness for the top. All the settings equal and mimic the top to the bottom, so they all have remote control, or the power on the remote control, the brightness, up and down. You can tap and hold or press one time, and there you can see the different warmth settings or coolness. That's what I meant. So that's all the way bright on the bottom setting. It's a very bright light. We'll get into that too. It's 3,000 lumens. So we'll get into all that here next with our tech specs. Okay, so let's go with our tech specs next. This is OUTON's double-sided lighting LED floor lamp. It's 34 watt and 3,000 lumen bright dimmable tall standing lamp with a 4-color temperature, remote touch control, 1-hour timing for living room, bedroom, office, etc. So we have a double-sided lighting for wide application. The OUTON LED floor lamp comes with a double-sided lighting design. Ultra bright upside lighting with 27 watts, 2400 lumens, super handy downside readable light with 7 watts, 600 lumens. Both top and the bottom lighting positions can be controlled individually. The standing lamp is bright enough to fill the light in the areas of your room. It's a good solution to buy one lamp. It gets two kinds of convenience, up and down. Remote controller and touch control. The modern floor lamp has a remote and a touch control to control two lamps independently. The handy remote control allows you to adjust the settings easily without having to get up and walk over to the lamp. The convenient touch control allows you to easily set up the lighting and no longer have to deal with cords hanging from the lamp. The magnetic remote control can stick to the metal pole, wall plate, or fridge, making it easier to be reached. It's fully dimmable and for color temperatures. The dimmable floor lamp offers a stepless color temperature from 3000 Kelvin warm white to 6000 Kelvin cool white. You can adjust the color temperatures: cool white for detail work, soft daylight to read by, and softer warm white to create a cozy atmosphere. I personally like cool light. I don't like the warm light look, but that's a personal preference. The light is fully dimmable, 5% to 100%, and it's nice to be able to dim the standing light for family movie time and increase brightness when entertaining. Tip: each light can be controlled individually. It has a memory and 1 hour timer and energy saving. The floor lamp has a memory function to remember your last brightness and color temperature when you turn the lamp back to long press the on-off touch button. The 1 hour timer is set and the lamp will automatically turn off after 1 hour. The bright floor lamp has an amazing 50,000 hour lifespan, so you never have to worry about replacing it. It's very easy to install, as you saw. You just screw the pipes together and you put the top part on. It's basically screwing, no extra tools. Just screw all sections of the lamp pole together following the instructions. Direct adjustment of the lamp heads can meet your various demands to light up every corner of you that you want. So that's my video on OUTON's double-sided lighting floor lamp. I hope you found my videos to be helpful. Thank you for being here. Please click like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below. Click the new thank you button if you're really pleased with my videos. And until next time, I'm out.